Hello and welcome to our fourth and final video covering the new TS1000 product. I'm Tom Norris, the president of Norheat Treatment Inc. In this video, we will go over some other potential areas of benefit and a quick recap of videos 2 and 3. So let's get right into it. Some other areas of potential benefit are reduced dross and reduced metal loss. Because the technology protects the charge from the elements caused by oxidization, this can potentially reduce dross buildup and metal loss. This saving has not yet been calculated or tested, but was viewed as a possibility during our laboratory testing results. The TS1000 product also appears to act as a clumping agent for dross. When the dross is scraped off the melt bath, the technology will remain active in being part of the dross. This is a benefit for those that are trying to recoup the metal loss in the dross. By remelting the dross, again, the technology works by reducing the time and energy for the dross to come to the melt temperature and protects the metal from the elements, giving you potentially greater recovery rates. We are certain there are other areas of benefit that have yet to be seen and are looking forward to viewing them in future trials. Just a quick recap of the second video. We talked about the potential fuel savings ranging from 15 to 35%. This is achieved by coating the outer surface of the melt charge before it enters the melting furnace. The coverage and placement of the product will give you the variation in percentage, as we tested and viewed this in our lab testing. In video 3, we talked about the massive production increases that could be achieved using the new product as a production increaser. Again, you would coat the outer surface of the aluminum charge before it enters the melting furnace. Our laboratory testing results showed an 18 to 40% reduction in the time it took for our test pieces to reach melting and pouring temperature. This could translate into production increases and more metal out the door. Norheat is looking for interested aluminum manufacturers who would like to explore this technology further and set up a free trial. If this is of interest to you and your team, we would only need your contact information, the company you're with, and your availability. You can send this to us if you haven't already via email or by phone, as our contact information will be at the end of this video for easy reference. Well, that's all, folks. We hope that you all found these short videos informative, and we look forward to answering any further questions you may have about this technology and the trials available. Please don't hesitate to reach out with any questions, comments, or ideas about the materials or videos, as I'm sure you can understand that this is our first attempt at trying to reach our customers this way. On our website, you will find we also offer refractory repairs and materials, and more about the other services that Norheat offers. We hope and wish you all remain safe, healthy, and all the best of wellness to you, your families, and your employees. If you're interested in a meeting or a conference call, just send us an email and we'll set something up that best fits your schedule. We at Norheat thank you all and wish you all a blessed day. Thank you. Take care.